Hello, everyone, and welcome to Unit 2. I'm so glad you could join me. I'd just like to have a little introduction on each unit before you get started. So I hope you enjoyed Unit 1, and I hope you learned a lot about goal setting. Unit 2 is about time management. So I hope you'll read over the study guides, really, and take in some notes that could probably help you with the time management. One thing that I really try to stress in time management is be sure you talk to your friends and your family and explain to them how important this degree is to you and that you need your time for studying. I think this really helps. Make them be a part of this journey that you're on. I think that would really help as well. In Unit 2 also, besides time management, we have our live lecture. Our live lecture will be on November the 12th. And I'll send you the time as the time gets closer for each class. So I hope you will join me. This is a requirement. So if you cannot join me, you will have to watch the video and you have an assignment that will be posted for you to complete. This is our first discussion board. I also want you to remember now, instead of for some of you who've been here a while, you used to only reply to one person in the class. Now you reply to two people in the class. So I want you to be sure you do that. Now, one thing I want to stress with your discussion board is you must call their name. You must reply in their name. Use their name when you talk to them, because I have no way of knowing who you're replying to. One thing I like to tell students to do, if the discussion board is due on that Saturday, go ahead and just do your replies, write them, and don't wait till the Tuesday, because sometimes you forget. And then you lose a lot of points if you've only replied to one person or maybe not even replied to anybody. So just kind of remember that. It's due every Saturday that you have a discussion board, and then your replies due by Tuesday. But I would suggest you go ahead and reply when you do your initial post. Now, remember, your replies and your posts must have lots of good content, and they must have lots of good thought. You can't just write one sentence and think you're going to get the points for that. So make it, and I've noticed that a lot of people reply to many more than two people. And this is a good way to get to know the people in your class too. So I think it's a really good exercise that we do. So this is Unit 2. Live lecture, time management, and discussion boards. There's a lot in Unit 2. So if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me and I'll be glad to answer anything I can. And with that, I hope you have a nice day. Bye.